What am I doing here, Chloe? You're asking me what I'm doing here, Chloe.
Don't touch
Chloe.
me, please.
Chloe, wait. So this is the baby daddy? This is the Abuja you're going to write?
What are you people doing here?
You!
Hey.
Jim! Jim, this is... Chloe, God will punish you! Stop!
Yeah,
You backstabbing liar! How could you? Eh? How could you? You snatched your best friend's husband.
And you're living so comfortably.
Jesus Christ. Hi! You're still talking. Chloe, you have done everything I did for you.
Can you relax?
Can I relax?
Didn't you cheat on me? Huh? How many men did you bring to my house?
What are you saying?
How many men did you bring to my house?
What kind of stupid question is that? Jim, you know me so well. Wait, is that what you told him? That I bring in men into the house? You couldn't even ask me, you just believed her.
You didn't verify anything.
Jim, how could you? For goodness sake, you have a CCTV camera in the house. You could have checked, you would have watched it. You even have a gate man, go and ask him.
Hey, now who know you, they wound you, oh, wahala.
Jess, so this is the file I want you to vet. Here it is. Jessica, is it I'm a ghost that you can't notice me?
Oh, Chloe, when did you get here?
How are you supposed to know when I got here when you're busy staring and smiling at your phone?
You saw that. I'm so sorry, I was carried away with the heartwarming message my husband sent to me.
You're a finished woman.
I am. I totally agree. Listen, look. You light up my life with your presence, counting days, hours, minutes, seconds to be with you again. You're my world, baby girl. Oh!
This is so sweet.
I know.
Girl, you're lucky. I mean, your husband happens to be the last of his kind. Because men like him don't exist anymore. This guy is not in the country, but he sends you gifts on weekly basis. He buys from your shoes, to your clothes, down to your hair, accessories, even your underwears.
Everything. Oh, yes, I am such a lucky woman. Like, God bless me with the best man on earth.
You are.
Like, all I pray for right now is for God to give me a child because he really deserves to carry his own baby.
Amen. I mean, I'm going to tap from these blessings of yours.
But wine tapper.
With my full chest. Because, girl, if you've been through the kind of heartbreaks and pains that I've been through, you will tap just like me.
Not to worry.
But here you go.
God will give you a man like my baby boy.
Amen.
Oh,
Amen.
talk of the angel.
Oh, Jesus. Jessica, please make sure you vet those files before you pick that call because that's going to take hours. Or better still pack your bag and go.
Hey, baby boy. Another gift. Baby boy, you're spoiling me too much. I love you. No, I love you to the moon and back. I do. Oh, it's so cute. Baby. I just got back home from work. Maybe I miss you. I do. Baby, no. You are spoiling me way too much. Like, way too much. And I can't wait to see you.
course.
No. Oh my goodness. I'm so late. We have a meeting.
Well, I'm only joking. He hasn't.
You.
Yes, but he came like a minute ago and he asked after you. I told him you were in the restroom, so...
Oh, baby girl. Thank you. Thank you. You're the best. Thank you.
But what kept you?
You're asking as if you don't know. I was talking to my baby boy
Of
all through the
course.
night.
Like I don't know.
You know already. You know. See, I have to go and meet boss. But I have premium gist for you.
Please spill it.
Guess.
Baby boy is still buying gifts?
Well, that's... But there is more. Guess.
Just spill.
Guess.
Say it!
Okay. So, baby boy is shortening his trip to come be with me ASAP.
Finally. So your body will just calm.
This body. You know.
Boss is calling you.
Boss.
Before your body.
But I can't wait to see baby boy.
I know. God help you. Finished woman.
Oh, hi. Hey, baby. Look at you. How are you? Baby, look at. Thank you. Babe, what's happening? What's going on?
Nothing.
Why do you look?
Nothing.
What? You look this good in my absence, babe. What are you eating?
Nothing. Baby, I missed you.
I missed you. Baby, oh my God,
My baby
I missed you so much. Come on. How are you?
I'm fine.
You okay? Yeah. All right, come on. Let's go. Oh my God, baby, I want to eat you into tiny pieces.
Ready?
I want to devour you. Baby, that was so good. So good. No, I can't seem to get enough of you.
Same here. Baby, you are amazing. You took me to cloud 9, cloud 10, cloud 11, cloud 12, cloud...
I had to make up for lost time.
Baby, I really missed you.
I missed you too, my love. And I love you so much.
I love you more.
You know what?
What?
How about I make you Breakfast in bed. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Good morning. Did you sleep well? All right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mm-hmm. Come here. You ready?
You spoil me so much.
If I don't spoil you, who will? Hmm? Thank you. There you go. All right. Okay. Let me feed you. Mm-hmm.
I'm the luckiest
I'll
woman
keep this
on earth.
here. And I'm the luckiest man on earth. Ready?
Exactly how I like it.
Right. Of course. There you go.
And I could get used to this.
It's okay. Your man is back. And when you're done eating, take a hot shower together.
Baby boy took me to cloud 9 and beyond. Like he gave me the best head.
He did what?
He licked me up from my toes to every part
Jess.
of my body.
Are you saying he went down?
He went down, like down.
Girl, you're so lucky.
I am. I swear I am. And you know the best thing? I don't even have to ask. He knows everything to do.
God, I miss
The
him.
right places to touch. The right things to say, like whispering sweet nothings into my ears. Like, I was just screaming. My legs were shaking.
Your legs were shaking?
Shaking, vibrating.
You're enjoying it.
I am. I swear. And this morning, I woke up to breakfast in bed.
You don't say.
And from there, another round.
Wait, in the bathroom?
From the bedroom to the bathroom, he lifted me up and he was giving it to me. Then we went to the kitchen. Oh my goodness, this one is capturing my head too. Do you know what I call him in the other room?
What?
Mr. Dixon.
Jessica.
Mr.
I'm single before I go and meet my gate man.
Mr. Dixon. Ah! God, I am blessed. I am so blessed. So, baby boy. Excuse me. Hi, baby boy. Oh, I miss you too, baby. Oh, in my heart, of course.
Who's there?
Come in. Come in.
Wow. How are you?
I'm
Wow, look
good.
at you. You look amazing.
Look at you.
Yummy. Baby, you're a bad girl.
You are. You are.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, yeah, for you.
Aren't you the best? You are. You are the best.
Hi, Jim. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And also, thank you for the cookies and chocolates you give to her for me.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's the best, baby.
Baby,
Yeah.
I'm here to take you out for lunch.
I'm so lucky. I am so lucky. But baby,
Yeah?
can Chloe come?
I was hoping to spend some alone time with you.
Oh, babe. We can spend all the alone time at home. She's here. Please.
Okay. Whatever my queen wants.
She gets. She gets. My king. Chloe?
Yeah.
We're going out for lunch.
Oh, good. You guys can have fun.
No, you're coming with us.
Oh no, I've just
No, you're coming with us. I'm serious. Madam, wrap up. We're going out for lunch. Baby, let me keep this.
Of course. You need me to help you with anything?
No, baby, no, baby, no. You don't have to stress. I think.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby.
Baby.
Happy birthday
Oh,
to you.
okay. Hi, me.
Come on.
Baby boo.
I hope you're ready.
Baby
Are
boy.
you ready? Take this one for your hair,
For my hair.
for your nails, shopping.
No problem.
Do whatever you like with this one.
Thank you, sir.
Take care of yourself with this
Thank you,
one.
my Oga.
Send this to Mama.
Thank you, my
Send
king.
this to Zaddy.
Oh!
Take care of your wardrobe with this one.
Oh my-
Anything you want. But baby, there's more.
There is more.
Baby,
There is
you're
enough
okay now.
space. There's enough space I can hold. Baby.
I just want
My
to give you
Odogu.
money for nothing. Just keep taking money.
My king.
Just take this for being beautiful, for being so gorgeous, for being fine,
Please don't stop.
for being cute,
Keep it coming,
for
keep it
being
coming.
the best.
It will not fall. Never.
Happy birthday,
Never, baby. Baby boy. Baby
You
boy.
deserve everything and more.
Baby.
And that's not all. It's outside.
Oh, my money. Yes.
Baby,
I don't even know what to take it. Let me keep this one.
It's yours. Everything
Oh
is
my-
yours. Just
Oh my god. Baby, careful with the money. Okay? Careful. Careful. Oh, no, 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 no.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Baby, baby, come, 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 come. Oh, baby.
Happy birthday. Mwah.
Oh, baby! Wait, where is my card? In your car! In your...
For you. Just for you.
Oh my goodness! Oh!
Baby, easy, easy, easy.
Oh! Ta-da! 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 Oh, guess who's a new car owner? Ta-da! Ta-da!
Girl, a car?
Yes!
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you. This is like a pre-birthday gift for my baby boy.
Okay, so what is he going to do when the birthday is here?
I don't even know. I don't know. He's going to buy me the world.
Congratulations.
Thank you, baby.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Ah, what a man. The man, like full package from
I
God.
know.
Look, he's also planning a little birthday dinner for me. You know Jim now. He's private. He wanted everything to be intimate, just the both of us. But I told him that my best girl has to be there.
Thank you.
Yes!
Thank you for that.
So, will you do me the honor of being at my dinner?
What sort of rhetorical question is that? Am I supposed to answer that? Of course you know the answer to that.
We're going to have so much fun.
Sure, and it's Friday, so we're gonna party.
Party.
Please, can they close this office already?
I wish, like,
Wow. Congratulations.
I know. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Yes, so, Jess,
Yeah.
I was going to tell you, I just started seeing someone. And I don't know if it's okay to come with him for your birthday party. I mean, that is because I want him to learn from Jim, if that's okay.
Chloe,
Yes.
you're seeing someone and you're just telling me?
I said I just started.
Yeah, but, you would have told me when you guys started chatting, calling.
Yeah, I know that. It's just that, I like my stuff private. But then I'm talking about it now.
I'm not just anyone.
I know.
I'm your best girl.
I know.
Best friend.
And, girl, yeah, I just told you.
Okay, you're seeing someone. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
See you.
What?
Call him.
Okay.
We should invite him over.
Okay, let me just
quickly.
call him.
Tell him your best girl is celebrating her birthday and he's invited.
Here we go.
Call him. Oh, look at Chloe. I'm so happy for you.
Hi, babe.
Chloe, babe, I beg, let me thank you, I beg.
What's the meaning of this? How about the money I gave you yesterday? Have you paid me back? You keep borrowing and you don't return. Please. I'm sorry about that. It's okay.
No, it's fine. No, Chloe, if you ask me, you really deserve someone better. You do.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Congrats.
Thank you.
So, when is the party? This evening? Okay, so I'll just go home, get dressed, and then I'll come around.
It's fine.
Okay.
And you don't need anyone else. You have me
Yeah,
until the right man comes.
comes.
Okay.
True. Congrats.
Thank you.
Happy for you. This is really tasty.
You like?
made it. It's really nice. You made it.
Of course not. My baby boy did.
Oh, Jim cooks?
Oh, you should taste his meals. Like, they're so good.
Wow.
He's the best. I don't even need a chef.
Okay.
Thank you, baby.
Nice.
Maybe if you need more, just let me know. Okay?
I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah, good.
Happy birthday again.
Yes, happy birthday.
Where are we going tonight? Good to o'clock?
Should we?
Yeah.
No.
Sounds like fun, right?
Here you go.
Oh. I'm supposed to be feeding you. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. Last one.
Are you sure?
Sure. Okay, you have something?
I don't think your birthday will be complete without some birthday SEX.
I didn't hear that.
Wow.
Babe, I'm so happy that I finally get to spend some alone time with you. 3 is really a crowd.
Do you mean? Don't tell me you didn't enjoy Chloe's company, because she is so fun.
Yeah, she's okay.
Not just okay, she's my best girl.
You know, I could be in a room filled with 1,000,000 people and my heart will still be screaming, take me to Jess. Take me to Jess.
Who is this Jess? Where is she? Because I'm jealous. Well, I am Jess, so.
Yeah.
Baby. You're the best. Hold on.
Who's calling us?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh. Hello? She's... Oh, okay. That's fine. That's... How is she? Oh. I'll be there tomorrow. It's okay. I'll book a flight immediately. Okay, thank you.
Is everything okay?
My mom. Her BP has risen again. She's been rushed to the hospital.
I'm so sorry.
I just have to go there tomorrow.
I wish I could come with you, but I already scheduled a meeting.
No. You really don't have to. I'll just go there, see her quickly, and then come back.
Okay, I'll call you when you get there so I can speak to her. Oh? Sorry.
This is a perfect opportunity for me. I can't let it pass me by. I have to do something. Hi, Jess. How is Momsy?
She's better. I'll be returning by next tomorrow.
Oh, that's great. Thank God. A quick one. So, I don't know if you have your laptop. I need this A and B file. If you can just send it to my mail.
Oh, no, I didn't travel with my laptop. I left it at home.
Ah, okay. Cause I need it latest tomorrow. I don't know. Is it possible for me to get it with a flash?
Yes, you can go home. Baby boy is home.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. All right then. So just call him and tell him. So I'll just come over and take it.
Oh, sure. Talk later.
All right. Thank you. Say me hi to Momsy.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm coming. Hi.
Hi, Jane.
Hi. Please come in. Good evening. Yeah. Please.
Thank you.
Sit. I guess you're here for the laptop?
Yes, I am.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me get it.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Should be here. Yes, right there. Okay. Would you like me to offer you anything?
No, I'm okay. If I need anything, I'll tell you.
Okay.
I'm sure you have.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, I'll be in the kitchen.
All right. Hi, Jim.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I just finished making pasta. Yeah.
I can help you.
No, it's fine. I'm done.
Okay.
What's up?
Can I have a glass of red wine?
Okay. Just give me a sec.
Okay.
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep, you don't know. I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure in life: what you sow, you shall reap. Oh, you don't know.
up. You have to go. Shit. You have to leave, please.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, baby. Baby boy. I really missed you, baby. Do you miss me?
Sure, I do.
Baby, are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, I guess you missed me so much, but don't worry. Baby girl is here.
Yeah.
Baby! I was just away for how many days? Don't worry. I'm going to massage you tonight from your head down to your back and your legs. Babe, are you okay? I love you, baby. Like, I have never seen my baby boy like this. He was like a tiger, ready to devour me. So fierce, so passionate. So, look, I could relive this moment every day of my life. Chloe, it is now I understand why people enjoy soft BDSM.
Girl, you're enjoying, honestly.
I am. I really am. I can't deny this one. Oh, look, my baby boy is the best. Like, he's such a joy giver. I love him so much.
I'm happy for you. Sorry, I'm a bit pressed. I need to use the restroom, okay?
Oh, sure. Yeah. This man.
He's cheating on me. He's cheating on me with her.
Madam. I hope you haven't destroyed the toilet.
Oh, please. Yeah, so can you continue with the juicy gist?
You like gist.
Of course I like it.
You
I
love
need to learn.
gist.
I need to learn.
Well, Chloe,
Yes?
he pinned me to the wall.
Oh, God.
He choked. Come in.
This is from the boss. He asks you go through it and get back to him ASAP.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Do that immediately. He choked me. Like.
So, what are we even... how about you ask baby boy to come take us for lunch?
I don't really want to disturb him.
It's not disturbing. I mean, don't you want to get all the pamper before he leaves?
You see why I call you my best girl?
Two good heads.
You are my best girl.
two good heads.
You
are
are
better
my
than
best
one.
girl. You are so right. I'm calling him right
Yes,
away.
I mean,
Okay. Hey, baby boy. Baby boy, why don't you come take your wife out for lunch? You're coming? Okay, I'm expecting you. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love you. Mwah! He's coming.
I need to go get ready.
Okay, let me quickly attend to this before we leave.
So,
Boss, why are you sending me these documents right now?
Oh,
Okay. Wow. I have this already. I'll just forward it to him.
use my phone.
Let me send this to him.
Girl, be fast, please.
Chloe,
Yep.
we're just going for lunch, oh. It's not a party.
I know.
Oh, so you have plans of meeting Mr. Right there?
Well, you can tell. It can just happen anyway.
That's true. You never can tell.
Yep.
Ooh. Hey, baby boy.
Is he here?
Oh. Oh, babe, that's fine. I got you. I love you.
Is he here?
No, something came up at the office.
For
and-
what? Why? Why would he behave like that?
Oh, what do you mean? Why will he behave like that? You know, it's office work now. Anyway, he sent money so we can still go.
Girl, please. It's not money. Okay, yeah. So, we'll still go out.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
I'm almost done with this. And send. Okay. Are you done with your touch up?
Yes, I'm ready.
Come on. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get you something to drink.
Okay. What a day. Wow.
Today has been so stressful.
I'm telling you. God. It seems your baby boy is not around.
Oh no, he isn't. He's still at the office.
Why?
Well, he has to stop at the supermarket to get some things as he'll be traveling soon.
He's traveling.
Next month.
Wow. Jess?
Yeah.
I really have to go now. Yes, I just got a reminder now. I need to meet up with someone.
Oh, but I thought you wanted to chill here.
Yes, I actually wanted to, but I just got a reminder. I didn't even know. Yes. So I have to go.
Okay, just give me some minutes. Let me quickly freshen up, then I'll come drop you.
Not to worry. Okay, I'll just get a taxi.
I could drop you.
It's fine, Jess. Just relax, okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Sure. I'm so tired.
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you.
Chloe, Hey, this girl is always sleeping. Chloe.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Madam, this is your newfound hobby of sleeping at the office. Are you sure you're okay? Are you? You're... Are you sure you're fine? Like you're always... It's just... Wait. She was... Madam. The madam. Chloe.
Yeah.
Hey, this girl. This girl, you and secret. Look at me. Thinking you've been sex-starved all this while, but not knowing you've been collecting. Ah! Chloe.
Yeah.
Spill. Who is he? Who is he?
It's just a new guy.
And this new guy doesn't have a name?
Well, I call him Obim.
My heart!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is so sweet. Come here, come here. I don't care about pregnant. Just hug me, Diary. I'm so happy for you. I'm really happy for you. Oh.
What?
Does he know you're pregnant?
I don't even know if I'm pregnant.
You are pregnant. You were sleeping and you just threw up. You are.
Yeah, but I can't tell him. I need to confirm.
You know what? I'll get you pregnancy strip. Right now, like right away. Let me get my wallet. I'm going to get you pregnancy strip. I'm coming right away. Okay? Just rest. Don't worry. I'll come and help you when I come back. Okay?
All right.
No. We can't do this to Jessica. I can't do this to her.
But it's already happening. Oh, what are you thinking? You want me to get rid of your only child?
My only child.
Do you have another child somewhere?
Look, I only want to have a child with Jessica, not with another woman. I can't do that to her.
If only you knew who Jessica is, but you don't know her.
What do you mean?
Listen, I'm not supposed to tell on my friend. Jessica is my friend. But this is difficult because now my child is already involved and I will pick this child over anyone on earth.
What are you talking about?
Listen, it's not that simple. Jessica sleeps around. Yes. When you're not in the country, she brings other men, according to her. She's just trying to manage them because you're the best she's ever had. She says how you lick her from her toe to her head, how you really do it so well, and she just she just tries to compare what you do to what the other men do to her. And she says you're the best, and that's why she calls you Dixon. Yes, she says how you lick her, how you do this, how her legs are always shaking. But listen, it's just a whole lot. And that she calls you Dixon because you've got the best D. I don't know.
What?
But yes, does she call you Dixon or not?
No. Jessica can't do... No. She can't.
Does Jessica call you Dixon or not? Do you lick her till her legs are shaking or not?
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you Be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep.
Did you drink? Babe, where did you go to? Babe, what happened? Babe. Babe, are you okay? What happened? Babe. Let's just go. Let's just go.
Oh, you don't know. I can't stand. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds.
Where are you going? This is... Baby, this is the guest room. Let's go to the room. Where did you even go to? You're so drunk. Babe. This is a mistake. Just come. Sorry, come. Oh, baby, come, let's go. Why did you drink this much? Let's go. Do you come to the bed? Babe. Babe! 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 Babe, what's going on? Babe, open the door. What's happening? Babe! Jean! Jean, open the door! Jean! Where did you go to?
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man.
What's going on now? What's happening? Babe, open the door, please. Open the door. Baby, please, if I did anything wrong, please tell me. Please. Jim. Jim, what's going on? Please open the door, please. Jim is my everything. Chloe, I can't afford to lose him.
It's okay.
I don't even know what I did wrong. He's not saying anything to me. Please, can you just come to the house? Maybe talk to him. He might speak to you.
Jess, you when husband and wife are quarreling, you don't go there. I know you guys will sort this out, but I can't come talk to you.
Please. What do I do? What do I do? My husband has refused to talk to me. What do I do?
Listen, you understand him better, and you know the best way to talk to him.
He's not talking to me. He's not talking to me.
Just stop crying, alright?
I don't know what this is. I really don't know. I don't
Just
know.
calm down, everything will be okay.
What do I do? What do I do? What did I do wrong? What? What did I do?
He'll talk to
God.
you. Okay?
Are you sure you won't come to the house?
No. He's your husband. You know the best way to talk to him. He won't even listen. He'll probably chase the both of us out.
Okay.
I mean, it's not the end of life, okay? It's not. If he doesn't want to come around, come on. You're a pretty lady.
He's my husband.
I know, but what's wrong with him? Why is he acting this way? Do you know these men and how they can behave?
What did I do? Babe, why are you eating this? I made breakfast. Babe. Babe. Baby, what did I do? Please say something. Please. This is not good for you. I made breakfast, your favorite. Baby, your silence is killing me. Can you just say something, please? Babe. Sorry. Babe, please. Baby, what did I do? Tell me, what did I do? I promise I'll apologize, babe. Look, babe, listen to me, babe. Babe, what did I do? Babe. Baby.
Jess, face your life. He will come back to you if it's meant to be. Listen, there's a saying, whatever is meant to be will be.
Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust, desperate things happen. But I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust, desperate things happen. But I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep, you don't know. I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure in life, what you sow, you shall reap. Oh, you don't know. I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure, what you sow, you shall reap.
Babe. Babe.
Jim? Jim? Babe? Babe? Babe! Babe! Jim! 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 Oh my god! Jim! 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 Babe! Chloe, he's not here, He left with his bags. I'm home now and he's not at home. Oh, I don't know, I don't know, let me check.
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep, you don't know, I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure in life, what you sow, you shall reap. Oh, you don't know, I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure, what you sow, you shall reap. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep, you don't know, I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure in life, what you sow, you shall reap.
Wait, I'm done. Never button finish. Who you be? I dey ask you when you dey come with Auntie Kakai. You no wan talk to me. Don't go knack for person house.
What do you mean by that?
Who you be?
Excuse me.
Wait, I been dey follow you talk when you dey come in with Auntie Caro. You no wan talk to me. Now, you go follow me talk now. I'm the chief security officer of this house.
Guy,
Oga, who you be?
why are you touching me?
Who are you? Who you be?
Didn't you see me walking with Chloe?
And so, if you walking with am, now you get house. Follow me talk.
Okay, I came to get my keys.
Key.
Excuse me.
Where the key dey?
Guy,
Where the key dey?
who's this guy? Why are you harassing me?
Oga, key no dey here. You know who come out here? I go call my fellow security people. We go lock you.
Call them.
I should call them.
Call them.
Open now.
Wait. What's your problem?
Where you be now?
I came with Chloe now.
I know
I'm
see
Chloe's boyfriend. Excuse me, I beg. What's wrong with you?
You be Chloe boyfriend. You come person house, come knack.
Guy, open this
You
gate.
sure say you get house?
Open this gate
No
now.
dey shame. I go blow you now. You go turn to my color. Thief. Aboro diginaya this boy. Go come person house, come dey knack. Do knacking. Let them come out now. Queen don't get house.
Chloe,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you for everything. Like, I really don't know what my life would be without you. Thank you for supporting me.
You don't have to thank me. Okay? We're sisters. And I will always be here for you. Okay? Always. I actually came to tell you that I'll be relocating to Abuja.
Relocate? How? When? Chloe, you want to leave me too?
No, don't say that.
So how? What do you mean by you're relocating?
It's just my baby daddy. He wants us closer. I'm not leaving. Alright?
It's just... Wait,
It's okay.
when are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? And you're just telling me now?
Jessica, I'm as surprised as you are. He didn't even tell me till this morning. He just sent me flight ticket from nowhere that we'll have to leave tomorrow. I packed my things. He already got a place for us to stay. I was surprised. I said, okay, that I have to rush here to tell you.
This is so unfair.
It's like it wasn't planned at all. Sent me the flight tickets and everything. He already has a place he rented for us to stay. I'm sorry. But I promise you, you won't feel my absence.
I'm so sorry I'm even acting this way. I should actually be happy for you.
No, it's okay.
It's just, with everything going on, I'm just so sad that you would be leaving too.
Listen, I promise you I'll make sure you don't feel my absence. Alright? We'll always be on video call. Is that okay?
But I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You're going to start your own family.
Yes, he wants us to start a family.
Wow.
I mean, there's already a little one on the way.
We should actually celebrate this.
Sure.
We should. I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, don't worry. It's non-alcoholic for baby's sake.
Oh.
So cheers.
Cheers.
To everything and to you starting your own family.
Thank you. Thank you.
But wait, I haven't actually seen his picture or even met him before.
Oh, that.
Yes. At least something.
I know you won't believe it, but I don't have a picture of him.
You don't?
I don't. It's so bad that even when we're together, he doesn't let me take a picture of him. I'm like, oh, babe, let me make a video. He's like, no, take that camera off. He doesn't like pictures. He's such a private person. And you know me too. I don't like to give so much information about my private life, my relationship, sex life. I don't like to give so much info. But that's just who he is. And babe, say, not to worry. When I get to Abuja, of course, we'll be on video calls and you get to see him.
Oh, baby.
Let's just drink. Okay? Come on. Are you okay? Jessica. Jess! What? Jessica.
I don't know.
Are you okay?
I really don't know. I haven't been feeling so well. Like, I've been throwing up and all. It's been happening a lot in the morning. I just have to go to the hospital.
You've been through, you know?
Yeah. A lot.
Jess. You're pregnant.
I haven't seen my period.
Jessica, you haven't seen your period.
No, I should have a pregnancy test strip. I should have that.
Hold on.
What?
Hold on. What do you need a pregnancy test strip for?
To run a test.
Girl, you are pregnant. Jessica, you can't keep this thing. You need to get rid of it.
What?
Yes.
Chloe, what are you saying? I should do what?
Abort it.
Why?
Because that's the best option.
No, that's not the best option. That isn't even an option. What are you saying?
Jessica, listen to me. You don't have a husband. You don't have a job. And then you want to get pregnant and raise a child all by yourself?
Yes, I want to, Chloe. Do you know how long I have prayed, hoped for a child?
Jessica, do you know what it takes to be a single mother?
I don't care. I don't. If I run this test and it turns out I am pregnant, I am going to raise this child and love him or her like I loved my husband.
Jessica, trust me.
I don't.
Getting rid of this baby now is the best thing.
Chloe.
Girl, this is going to stress you.
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is tea, you don't know against time. No
If I don't spoil you, who will?
Oh, you don't know. I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure. I want you so.
Wow. How are you?
Good.
You look amazing.
Look at you.
Yummy. Baby, you're a bad girl.
You are.
Ready?
Baby
Are
boy.
you ready? Take this one for your hair,
For my hair.
for your nails, shopping.
No problem.
Do whatever you like with this one.
Thank you, sir.
Take care of yourself with
Thank
this
you,
one.
my Oga.
Send this to Mama.
Thank you, my
Send
king.
this to Zaddy.
Oh!
Take care of your wardrobe with this one.
Oh my-
Anything you want. But baby, there's more.
There is more.
Baby,
There is enough space. There's enough space I can hold. Baby.
just
my
want to give you
Odo.
money for nothing. Just keep taking more.
My king.
Just take this for being beautiful, for being so gorgeous, for being fine,
Please don't stop.
for being cute.
Keep it coming,
for
keep it
being
coming.
the best.
It will not fall. Never.
Happy birthday,
Never, baby. Baby boy. Baby boy.
Deserve everything and more. And that's not all.
Evil lies in the heart of man. Selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do.
Yes. Yes, I can get it. Just send the money. I did wait for you. I know if you use my money buy am for you. I'll wait, see, Jerry. Hold on. Hey. Hey. She's pregnant. Interesting. This is interesting. Hey. Follow them. Yeah, just follow them. Right. Follow them. Don't lose them, follow them fast. Jess, I just saw that your colleague abused your friend, Seth. The one you're always posting on Instagram and WhatsApp. I saw her just now with your husband. And I took photos of them. I even recorded videos. I will send it to you now. I don't understand what's happening.
I actually came to tell you that I'll be relocating to Abuja.
Relocating? How? When? Chloe, you want to leave me too?
No, don't say that.
So how? What do you mean by you're relocating?
It's just my baby daddy. He wants us closer. You can't keep this thing. You need to get rid of it.
What?
Yes.
Chloe, what are you saying? I should do what?
Abort it.
Why?
Because that's the best option.
No, that's not the best option. That isn't even an option. What are you saying?
Jessica, listen to me. You don't have a husband. You don't have a job. And now you want to get pregnant and raise a child all by yourself?
Yes! I want to, Chloe. Do you know how long I have prayed, hoped for a child?
Jessica, do you know what it takes to be a single mother?
I don't care. I don't. If I run this test and it turns out I am pregnant, I am going to raise this child and love him or her like I loved my husband.
Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust, desperate things happen. But I tell you, be careful what you do.
Hey. So it's true.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here, Chloe? You asking me what I'm doing here, Chloe?
Don't touch
Chloe!
me, please.
Chloe, wait. So this is the baby daddy? This is the Abuja you're going to write?
What are you people doing here?
You!
Hey.
Jim! Jim, this is... Chloe, God will punish you! Stop!
Yeah,
You backstabbing liar! How could you? How could you? You snatched your best friend's husband. And you're living so comfortably. Jesus Christ. Hi! You're still talking. Chloe, you have done everything I did for you.
Relax.
Can I relax?
Didn't you cheat on me? Huh? How many men did you bring to my house?
What are you saying?
How many men did you bring to my house?
What kind of stupid question is that? Jim, you know me so well. Wait, is that what you told him? That I bring in men into the house? You couldn't even ask me, you just believed her. You didn't verify anything. Jim, how could you? For goodness sake, you have a CCTV camera in the house. You could have checked, you would have watched it. You even have a gate man, go and ask him.
Hey, now who know you they wound you, oh, wahala.
Jim, if I have ever cheated on you, may I not make it alive with this pregnancy.
I'm pregnant, remember?
I am pregnant. I am pregnant for you. Pregnant for you.
That cannot be for me. It can't be
It's
for me.
because of you. Hey, Jesus.
Jim, if this pregnancy I am carrying is not yours, may I not make it out of that theater alive.
Hey.
I thought you trusted me. I thought you did.
How many men visited this house in my absence?
Me. Okay. Not only me and you will be man what they did for this house. No. Not only that Auntie Kai Kai. Hey, you one day where that Auntie Kai Kai carry one man come here. I block him for here. You know, talk to me. That Auntie Kai Kai get as she do. No be saying I'm a friend. Carry and go inside. They stay inside before they come out.
You mean Chloe?
Carry the man go inside. The man they stay. I go to pee for window, do everything. I no see anybody. And the man they take before they come out too. Come block the man, tell and say he must tell me what they go inside, go do. As the chief security officer of this house, he go tell me who he be. So the man come tell me say he come collect key. I search him, I no see key for his hand. So I come say I go lock him for that room. I go lock him. He come tell me say he be Auntie Kai Kai boyfriend. Then my boyfriend they carry boyfriend come house. He know they observe security.
Chloe brought a man into this house.
I open the gate now.
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry I cheated on you. It was a stupid mistake and I wasn't in my right senses.
You're right. Senses. Gee. Someone lied against me. You couldn't even verify for me.
She showed me pictures. She gave me details of everything we do in our bedroom. She even told me that you usually compare me to your other lovers.
What stupid lovers? What lovers? I only confided in her. I shared how happy you made me because I thought she was my friend. I thought she was happy for me. How was I supposed to know that she wanted you to herself? Tell me. Even when I found out I was pregnant, I called severally, but you refused to take my calls. Instead, you blocked me. Yes, I made a mistake. I shared too much information, but what? Jim, at least you could have asked me before moving on with my friend.
I didn't move on with her. Okay, I was only there to give her moral support. She told me that the doctor said she needs someone by her side. But I didn't even know you were pregnant.
How would you have known? How?
I'm sorry. I was hurt. I was upset, but I didn't mean to do this to us. Please. Babe. Please, I'm sorry. We can't let this come in between us. Please.
Do you really think there is still an us? There is no trust. There is no trust in this marriage. I don't see this working.
I don't know, babe. But I don't want to lose you.
There's no trust.
We can work on it, babe. I'm ready to do anything. We can see a therapist. We can do anything to build back trust. Please, babe. I don't want to lose us. Babe, please, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I feel like this is all my fault. I'm sorry. Babe. Babe, please, say something, please.
Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire.
I would need time, but I forgive you.
Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Evil lies in the heart of man, selfish selfish desire, betrayal, love, trust. Desperate things happen, but I tell you, be careful what you do. Tomorrow is deep, you don't know. I can't tell. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds. One thing is sure,